Hey friend, I'm Selena, the self-care alchemist and founder of Salyana Essentials. And this is your moment to reset. You've been carrying so much, giving, producing, pushing, but right now, you don't have to do any of that. You don't have to be anything other than present. This is a space to come home to yourself, to rest before you collapse, to receive before you burn out. Let's begin. Wherever you are, sitting, lying down, eyes open, or gently closed, take a moment to notice your breath. No need to change it yet, just notice it. Now, slowly bring one hand to your heart, and if it feels good, the other one to your belly. Feel the rise and fall. Feel the life inside you. Let's breathe together now, intentionally. Inhale through your nose. Hold. Exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, pulling in oxygen, pulling in calm. Hold. Exhale slowly, letting go of pressure, tension, and urgency. One more time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Let it all fall away. If your mind is busy right now, that's okay. If your body feels restless, that's okay too. There is no wrong way to be here. Just breathe. Now, let's check in with your body, piece by piece. Bring your awareness to the top of your head, to your temples, to your jaw. Have you been clenching here, even without realizing it? Let it soften and slowly move your attention down to your neck and your shoulders. Notice if you've been carrying the weight of the day or the week here, and let them drop. Let gravity hold you for a while. Now, move down your arms, relax your elbows, your wrists, your fingers. Unclench your hands. There's nothing to grip right now. Bring your awareness to your chest, to your heart space. Feel it rise and fall. Even through everything, your heart has stayed with you. Notice your belly. Let it be soft. You don't have to hold anything in here. You're safe. Now, move your awareness to your hips and thighs. to your knees, your ankles, your feet. Feel the support beneath you. And you don't have to hold yourself up all the time. Let yourself be supported. If emotions rise as you move through the scan, know that it's okay. Your body remembers and it's allowed to release. As you rest in the stillness, I invite you to speak these words to yourself out loud if you can, or quietly in your mind. I am allowed to rest before I collapse. I am allowed to receive before I burn out. I am enough, even when I am still. Say it again like you mean it. I am allowed to rest before I collapse. I am allowed to receive before I burn out. I am enough, even when I am still. And you want to say it like your nervous system is listening, because it is. And you don't need to earn this moment. You don't have to justify the pause. You are worthy of it, just as you are. Now, slowly start to return to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. If your eyes were closed, slowly and gently blink them open. Put one hand on your heart again, if it's not already there, and take one final deep breath with me. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Yes, you did something powerful just now. You chose yourself. If this practice resonated with you, return to it anytime you need a reset. And if you're longing for deeper rest and reconnection, explore the resources and the reset kit I've created for you at SalyanaEssentials.com. You're not meant to carry it all alone. I'm in your corner, and I believe in your healing. This meditation is part of the Burnout Diaries, a storytelling series from Salyana Essentials. Until next time, be gentle with yourself.